In the late 1800s, a pioneering group of women combined art making and craftsmanship to transform glass into a radiant world of color, texture, and light. Tiffany hired Agnes Northrop and Clara Driscoll to be part of the new women's glass cutting department. These artisans were responsible for carefully selecting each piece of glass for its texture, opacity, and movement, cutting the glass by hand and applying copper foil for assembly. They were the color specialists and designers behind Tiffany's most celebrated windows and beloved lamps. In this remarkable memorial window commissioned by Ellen Wright Boyd in 1898, the palm leaves with delicately rippled glass appear to move as if with a gentle breeze. The falls cascade and form a frothy pool at the base of the rocks with streaky plated glass. The lilies, formed with rippled blossoms and mottled stems, exhibit Tiffany's trademark naturalism. The distant mountains, rendered in acid-etched glass, stand in a crisp silhouette beneath the radiant sky, creating a sense of longing. The Tiffany girls created impressionistic landscapes in glass, building texture with mottled surfaces and synchronizing color with light. They understood glass not as decorative material, but as something alive, capable of atmosphere and emotion. More than a century later, their windows still shimmer with that very same vitality, preserving the vision and artistry of the women whose work transformed stained glass into a modern American art form.